Let's get ready to rumble!
What I thought that would be fun to do is I've actually never done one before, but this is a flame detection sensor. From what I've read, these are accurate to above about 3 feet away from the fire because they're very sensitive to the IR wavelength. The analog output, which is this AO, has real-time output voltage signal for thermal resistance, and the digital output is for when the temperature reaches a certain threshold. The output high and low signal, so it would be like a yes or a no, based on what you have set here at this potentiometer. But other than that, I mean, it's pretty simple. You just hook it up to the analog, and you hook the other one up to the digital. We'll go ahead and get started. So just like the PR sensor, we can either desolder these and pull them output wires, or we can bend them up. That way I can put something in like we did this one. We can run it the same way. Now with these D1 minis versus the Arduino Unos or something like that, there's only one analog output pin, and that's the second one from the bottom. Now the Arduinos have way more, but these are mostly for small scale stuff. I would use these for making multi-sensors. I wouldn't use a big power consuming Arduino Uno or something like that, but the first thing we're going to do is, like we did with the other ones, we're going to cut this. Except we need 4 this time, instead of the 3 that we usually get. Like that. We can actually cut, we'll leave it as is. Put this one right about here maybe. Actually, let's put this one a little further up. We'll put it right here. We'll go ahead and solder this on. I'm getting so much junk over here, it's getting harder and harder to work. I've got to bring my other table up here eventually. Alright. And I'll make this go down a little more. Flatten it out. That looks good. Do the other 3. Alright, now we flip it back, and if we're going to put it in this way, we've got to determine what each one of these pins are. So, in order for us to do that, is we got to look right here on this far left one. That's the voltage one, so that's the one. This one's going to be voltage. So we're going to go ahead and do the red one first. And we can use it as a reference point for when we do the other 3. So, if this one's the voltage one, right, I'm going to put it where this 5 volt is. And after we have that one, now what's next beside the 5 volts? That'd be the ground. So, we're going to run a ground. Same way. Will be the ground. And we're just going to put it in that same general vicinity. And we'll go ahead and solder those 2 on first. Now, we're going to see what's next. So now that we've done the ground, the digital output is next. So we're going to run this to whatever pin we're going to use. Now the next one will be the analog one. Do that. And we'll go ahead and what I should have done with the green one is went under all this crap, but I did not. Alright, and then now we're going to look at the D1 Mini, and the analog is actually the second one, which is where I put that one, so we got to pull that one out. Let's go ahead and solder on this side, and then we'll pull that one out and move it. So first things first, we're going to solder this one on. Now we're going to double check. So the next one over, which is this green one, is supposed to be the D, so the digital. So let's verify again, and that's the third one down. So that's 1, so it'll be 10, 9, 8. So that's supposed to go on 8. And then this one, let's go ahead and get some of this off, and that other one is supposed to be on 7. So again, this green one is the digital, so that would be the third one. So that would be 10, 9, 8. And this blue one is 9, so that would be the second one down. We'll go ahead and hook them both up, flip it over. And then as we always do, push it up, this blue one, and we will push it up to, whoops, push it up. That was almost bad. As always, last but not least, trim everything. And that's it. Another easy one because you don't have to add any third resistors or diodes or capacitors. And there's your flame detection module.